Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use stack data structure in C++. Stack is a data structure that contains multiple elements. The elements are added, obtained, or removed from the top of the stack using the last in, first out rule, just like a stack of books. To declare a stack of integer elements, I can give it the type integers and the variable name. And to use the stack type, I need to include the stack library. To add the element to the top of the stack, I use the push method. To obtain the element from the top of the stack, I use the top method. And to remove the element from the top of the stack, I use the pop method. To check if a stack is empty, I can use the empty method. And this is the common way to go through all the elements of a stack using a combination of empty, top, and pop. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.